Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix package installer not working on your Android phone by following these troubleshooting steps. So let's get started. Very first thing you're going to want to do is to make sure that the file didn't get corrupted. You may need to re-download it. So here what I'm doing is going into the My Files app or your Files app. And once you get to your Files app, go to basically your downloads folder, in this case internal storage, and I go to my downloads. And I see this package right here. I'm going to tap on it just to make sure it has the download. Sometimes you may see a file created, but there's no downloads there. You might need to just go ahead and delete it and then re-download and try to install there. So make sure again the download didn't fail for some reason. Sometimes it could be because your storage on your phone might be low. You need to clear some storage up. You want to also make sure the storage is available for you to do that as well. Now, along with that, if you, let's say you did that and you're still having issues, or if you try to install it, it installed and you need to kind of clear the cache. So in your setting this time, what you're going to do is go to apps. So you're going to look for apps and then find the app. So whatever app that was, you're going to find it. And then from there on, you're going to see if you can force stop it if it's there. The other thing you want to check out, let's go ahead and pick another app. For example, this app. You're going to go to is storage on the app, and then you're going to look to clear cache and then clear data as well. So if it's possible on it, again, that is if it downloaded. Sometimes it may have not downloaded, so you may not see the app here, but if you happen to see it, you're just going to go to it, app here, click on storage, and then clear cache, clear data, and then retry the installer again. Now, let's say you did this and still having issues. The next thing you want to go ahead and try to do is, instead of trying to download the package from the internet, try to see if you can find it in the Play Store. Sometimes apps already exist in the Play Store. You search for it and download it from here. So if you find the app, right, whatever app you're looking for, you search for it, just go ahead and install it here from the App Store. And that's more secure and make sure the installer won't fail if you do it through that way. Now, if you're still having issues, the next thing you want to do is go to your setting. Let's say you're trying to install it maybe from the App Store or the Play Store. In that case, in the settings, you're going to go to is apps. And then this time we're going to look for the Google Play Store and clear the cache there. So here I'm going to look for, let's go ahead and look for Google Play Services and then Play Store. So you're going to click on both of them. And then internally, you're going to go to storage, and then you're going to clear cache. Then go back again here, and then the Play service as well. Click on storage, and then clear cache. And then retry the installer, and also try to see if you can download it from the Play Store. Now, let's say you did this and it's still not working. The next thing to do is simply restart your restart your Android phone. In that case, you'll just go down here, and then click on the power, and then restart here, or just use the volume down and the side button at the same time to bring up the same menu, and then you're going to just restart and then retry to download and reinstall again. Now, if it's not working, the next thing you want to do is in your setting, you're going to make sure you update your phone. So in your setting, go all the way down or look for software update and check if there's a new update. If there is, go ahead and install the update. Sometimes the package you're installing could be for a newer version of Android and you haven't installed that update, so you're going to go ahead and proceed to install that update. Now, another thing you also want to check out is your security on your phone. So if you have a specific security setting, usually from your settings, you're going to look security and then look for if there's any security things that you need to kind of ensure. Sometimes there might be one that says install third-party apps. You want to make sure that's allowed, or unknown apps that is allowed under app security. Here I don't have it. For example, the Play Store, here it's not showing me, but it might show up here, and then you want to click on to allow. And by following these steps, your package installer should work. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like, subscribe button for more tips and tricks. So see you guys next time.